Fast and Furious! Boom! You're in for flight.
Dragon feathers! A real Skylander! I can't believe you're actually here! Look out!
That was my favorite part.
Use your attack button to clear the wreckage.
Hey, Skylander! You might not get all that broken stuff off my ship.
Oh no! Greenville air barons! We're gonna have to outmaneuver them!
Jockey.
It's opening fire!
Get those creepy zombies off my ship! Too close! Too close!
Die! Die!
In the zone!
Keep going! There's another way out through the core of the volcano!
Uh-oh, big scary ship off the port bow. Or starboard. That way! We have been boarded!
Almost there! Just a little further!
Get off my ship, you yellow rodent! Come on, hold together, old pal!
There! I can see the exit! Almost out!
Man, what happened last night? I don't decorate it for Valentine's Day. Christmas is bad enough. We don't need 2 early holidays. Firebrand, please relax.
This is your captain speaking. We're, here.
Man, what happened last night? I don't decorate it for Valentine's Day. Christmas is bad enough. We don't need 2 early holidays. Firebrand, please relax.
I guess I need help balancing too.
Food! My delicious!
Boo-boo alert! Boo-boo alert! My arm, my tail, my teeth, they're all broken!
How nasty can you get?
Dragon feathers, are you okay? I've never seen a crash like that!
I know, impressive, right? It was actually a super secret, incredibly complex maneuver. Good thing I'm the best pilot in all Skylands. Captain Flynn, at your service.
I'm Twilight Sparkle.
You may call me Rogar.
I'm Sunny, and this is my friend, Izzy Moonbow.
I am Dr. Wolf, and... I am
must be all.
I should be.
And he's in pain.
He hates everything, apparently.
Boom.
Kablam!
Come again, Miss...
Tessa! I'm Tessa.
Oh, of course you are. So, what's the big problemo, Tessa?
My village was attacked right before the volcano celebration. It's not far. Come on, I'll show you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now cool your jets there. I'm not going anywhere without my ship. A good captain never does.
Well, in that case, we'll just run along.